Hey everyone, today I want to show you a security solution that's simple, smart, and really effective. The ActingWire window security camera. Here's why this camera is a game changer. First off, it's designed to sit right inside your window. That means no drilling, no ladders, no messing around with complicated outdoor installs. Just place it, connect it, and you're instantly monitoring what's going on outside.
Welcome to your new camera. Please follow the instructions in the user manual to download the app and pair your camera.
That's smarter security, simpler life.
Wi-Fi settings updated. Connected
The
to
camera
network.
delivers crystal
Cameras
clear
online.
HD
Wi-Fi
video, so
settings
whether
updated.
it's daytime
Camera
or
paired
nighttime,
successfully.
you'll see exactly what's happening outside your home. No blurry figures or guesswork. And the motion detection is smart. Instead of constant alerts for every little thing, it focuses on real activity that matters. You'll know when someone is approaching your door, driveway, or yard, and you can check in right from your phone, anytime, anywhere. Another huge advantage is the privacy factor. Because it's mounted inside, it's protected from the weather and tampering, and you stay in control of your footage. Plus, it supports local storage, so you're not stuck with expensive monthly subscriptions just to see what's yours. And I love how flexible it is. Want to move it to another window? Done in seconds. Need to cover a different angle? Just reposition it. It's the kind of convenience that makes security easy instead of a chore. So why do you need the ActingWire window security camera? Because it combines reliability, simplicity, and affordability in one sleek package, and it keeps your home safe without the hassle.